In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control what clients can see in Basecamp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share only what you want, keep the rest private, and confidently manage client access on any project. First, let's get clear on how client visibility works in Basecamp. When you add a client to a project, everything starts off private to your team. That means clients won't see anything until you intentionally share it with them. This default is designed to protect your internal discussions and drafts. Clients can still participate, adding comments, uploading files, and completing to-dos, but only on the specific items you choose to make visible. Think of it like opening a window for certain pieces, while the rest of the house stays closed off. Next, add your clients to the project where you want to control what they can see. Open the project, look for the option that says Set up People or something similar at the top, then switch to the Clients tab and add them there. Don't worry, adding them doesn't expose anything yet. They won't see a thing until you decide what to share. This is helpful because you can bring them in early and curate their view at your own pace. Now, decide what each client can see. Everything is private by default, and you grant visibility item by item. You can share messages on the message board, events on the schedule, to-do lists, card tables, check-in questions, and files and documents. For files, remember that visibility works at the folder level. Anything inside a shared folder inherits that folder's visibility. If a folder is visible to clients, everything in it is too. If it's private, the contents stay private. To change visibility on any item, look for the visibility setting or flag, often labeled something like Private to Team or Visible to Clients. Click it and choose. Make visible to clients when you're ready to share. If you change your mind later, you can toggle it back to private just as easily. Before you switch an item on, give it a quick review for internal-only notes or attachments. A simple naming convention can help here. Label internal drafts clearly so you don't share them by mistake. When organizing files, use folders to control access in one move, and remember that moving an item into a shared folder will make it visible. That's it. Add clients, keep everything private by default, then carefully toggle visibility on the items you want them to see. With this approach, you stay in control, and your clients see exactly what they need. No more, no less.